Okay, we're given a function and we want to find its first derivative and its second derivative and then evaluate these at an x value of 3. So this actually looks kind of intimidating, but it isn't that bad. So as we jump right in for finding the first derivative first, with that first term, I'm saying first a lot, but this first term, the 2x to the fourth, we're going to use the power rule on that term. So bring the 4 down in front, multiply it by the 2, reduce the exponent by 1, so 4 minus 1 is going to make 3. We can bring along that constant, and the derivative of e to the x is just going to be e to the x. So really not that bad. Next, let's go ahead and evaluate this at 3. So to evaluate the first derivative at 3, we simply need to replace each of the x's with 3's. All right, from here, a little bit of simplifying down perhaps. 3 cubed works out to be 27. So 8 times 27 minus 3 times e to the third power. And then 8 times 27 is 216 minus 3e cubed. Next up, let's go ahead and find the second derivative. The second derivative is just the derivative of the first derivative. So one term at a time here. I'm going to use the first derivative and say power rule for the first term. Bring the 3 down, multiply it by the 8, so 24. Reduce the exponent by 1. 3 minus 1 is going to make 2 for our new exponent. Bring along the constant, and the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Again, evaluating this shouldn't be too bad. We're going to replace each of the x's in the second derivative with 3's. So 24 times 3 squared minus 3 times e to the third power. So 24 times 9 minus 3e to the third power. Maybe get our calculators to help. 24 times 9 is going to be 216 minus 3 e to the third power, and it's okay to leave that as a nice exact answer in most cases. So I hope this helps out as you're working on finding second derivatives, first and second derivatives, when you've got a function that has 2 terms, one of them being an e to a power. Good luck.